Standing on the edge of Bay of Bengal, Satabhaya is a surviving testimony to the catastrophic effect of climate change. The village has been displaced thrice in the last 4 decades. The ruins can still be seen partially submerged in waves. Satabhaya, once a cluster of 7 villages with now only 2 remaining, is a silent witness to nature's fury. With only 571 families, the village is now situated behind a monstrous sand dune that protects it from high waves and strong cyclonic winds. Seen from a distance, it looks like a normal village, but a closer look at the life of the residents clearly displays its unique problems. 150 kilometers from the state capital of Bhubaneswar, life is not the same in Satabhaya.
Satabhaya was once a cluster of 7 villages. The 1971 cyclone washed out 4 of them, leaving behind only 3. The village is situated inside the Bhitarkanika National Park, with raging sea on one side and forest on the other. We are constantly threatened by the fear of another disaster like that. Today, we have become encroachers in our own houses, as the land belongs to the government.
With only kacha houses, the villagers have to reconstruct the roofs before the arrival of monsoon each year. The roofs are handmade by the whole family with dried leaves available locally.